Welcome to Fitness Food Recipes. In this video, we explore the incredible resilience of the human liver. Here are the 5 signs your liver is healing from alcohol. The first sign of liver recovery is the normalization of liver enzymes. Now you might be wondering, what are liver enzymes and why are they so important? Well, liver enzymes are proteins that speed up reactions in the liver, helping it to perform its many essential functions. They play a crucial role in breaking down toxins, processing nutrients, and producing bile, a substance necessary for digestion. However, alcohol can cause a spike in these enzymes. This is because the liver, in its attempt to detoxify the alcohol, produces substances that can damage liver cells, leading to inflammation and an increase in liver enzymes. This is why elevated liver enzymes are often a telltale sign of liver damage or disease. But here's the good news. When you stop consuming alcohol and start supporting your liver with a healthy diet and lifestyle, these enzyme levels can return to normal. This is a clear indication that your liver cells are healing and regaining their ability to function optimally. Multiple scientific studies have backed this up, showing a strong correlation between abstaining from alcohol and a decrease in liver enzyme levels. When liver enzyme levels return to normal, it's a clear sign that your liver is on the path to recovery. So, cheers to a healthier liver and a healthier you. Feeling more energetic than usual? That's sign number 2. The liver plays a crucial role in our body's energy production process. It breaks down the food we eat into nutrients and then turns these nutrients into energy. However, alcohol can interfere with this vital process. Consuming alcohol puts extra strain on the liver, forcing it to work harder and causing fatigue. When you cut back on alcohol, the liver can return to its normal function, leading to increased energy levels. Studies such as those conducted by the National Institutes of Health support this relationship between reduced alcohol intake and increased energy levels. So, if you've been feeling more sprightly lately, it could be your liver thanking you for giving it a break from alcohol. Moving on to the third sign, improved digestion. Now, the liver plays a crucial role in our digestive system. It produces bile, a substance that helps break down fats and absorb essential nutrients. When you consume alcohol, it can disrupt this process, leading to digestive issues like bloating, indigestion, or even malnutrition. However, when the liver starts to heal, its ability to produce bile improves, and so does your digestion. Several studies have backed this up. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Clinical Investigation found that participants who abstained from alcohol showed significant improvements in their digestion. Another study in the American Journal of Physiology stated that the liver's ability to produce bile can return to normal within a few weeks of abstaining from alcohol. So if you notice that your digestive issues are easing up, take it as a good sign. It's not just about feeling more comfortable after meals. It's a sign that your liver is bouncing back, regaining its ability to perform its vital functions. Improved digestion not only makes you feel better, but it's also a positive sign that your liver is healing. The fourth sign to look out for is reduced abdominal swelling. Alcohol consumption can lead to liver inflammation, which in turn may result in an enlarged liver. This enlargement often manifests as swelling in the abdominal area. When you begin to notice a reduction in this swelling, it's a positive indication that your liver is healing. This is because as the liver heals, inflammation subsides and the liver starts to return to its normal size. Research supports this point. A study published by the National Institutes of Health, for example, found that liver size decreased in patients who abstained from alcohol over a period of time. This decrease was accompanied by a reduction in abdominal swelling, suggesting that the liver was healing and functioning more effectively. So keep an eye on your abdomen. A decrease in swelling is not just a sign of comfort, but a great sign that your liver is healing and returning to its normal size. Finally, the fifth sign of liver healing is healthier skin and eyes. The liver, as our body's detoxifier, plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of our skin and eyes. When we consume alcohol, it can cause problems like dry skin, premature aging, and yellowing of the eyes, all of which are signs of liver damage. But as the liver heals, you'll notice that your skin starts to regain its natural glow, and any yellowing in the eyes begins to fade. This is because the liver is now more efficient at flushing out toxins, leading to improved skin health and clearer eyes. Several studies back this up, demonstrating a clear link between liver health and the condition of our skin and eyes. For example, A study published in the Journal of Hepatology found that patients with improved liver health experience significant improvements in skin and eye health as well. Healthier skin and eyes are not just good for your appearance, they're also a sign of a healthier liver. So, those are the 5 signs that your liver is healing from alcohol. To recap, we explored how normalized enzyme levels, increased energy, improved digestion, reduced abdominal swelling, and healthier skin and eyes all serve as critical indicators of liver recovery. Each of these signs is backed by scientific research and are tangible ways to monitor your body's progress as you embark on the journey to better liver health. It's vital to remember that reducing alcohol consumption is a key factor in this healing process. Your liver is a powerful organ with an incredible capacity for regeneration, but it's up to you to create the conditions that allow for its recovery. The journey to wellness isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It takes time, patience, and consistency. But every step you take towards reducing alcohol and supporting your liver's health is a step towards a longer, healthier, and more vibrant life. If you found this information useful, feel free to leave a comment below. And before you go, thank you so much for watching our video, and please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you want to find out the 6 ways to keep your prostate healthy, watch the video on your screen next. Finally, remember to use our calorie and protein calculator in the description below to kickstart and track your fitness journey. It can be your companion and accountability partner on your journey to better health. Remember, your liver is a resilient organ, and with the right care, it can bounce back from the damage caused by alcohol.